Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to close your account on eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, for this video, we're just going to follow this guide on the customer service of eBay. So basically here, if you close your eBay account, you will no longer be able to sell on the sites or access to your account. You will also lose your feedback as well as your purchase and sales history. So make sure to watch and make sure that you really want to close your uh, account. And basically now to close your account, you can simply go to your close account simply from here, or you can simply do it from going to your account. So basically you can go to your accounts or settings. So simply let's just go here and we go to account settings, and basically from there we will need just to go to account preferences, and here we will find close account. So by clicking on close account, it will take us to the page that we've seen. And basically here, it's just like they take you here so you can be more aware about your decision. So as you can see, this is what would happen. Like for example, after requesting your account to be closed and the data deletion, that means that your data, all your data will be deleted, etc. If you are really sure to close your account, you can simply click on close your account, and basically here you will add uh, a reason. So you will need just to add the form, and basically then you will need just to submit your close uh, request. So make sure that you be accurate here, so they even like give you a solution, and they might ask you like to give you a solution for the reason that you are leaving and you might want to stay. Otherwise, you will need just to simply click on close, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next.